How to fix game is not showing up in OBS Studio, or the game shows as black screen. So the first thing you can do is restart OBS as administrator. Just search for OBS, right click on it, and then click on run as admin. Now make sure the game you're trying to record is running, and then add a game capture or use your existing one if you have one already. Double click on it and make sure you set the mode to window specific mode. And then you can simply click on this drop down and select the game window that you're trying to record. So for example, you can choose any window and then make sure it matches the title. Now click on OK and see if that can detect the game and capture it in here. Otherwise, what you can do is try to restart your game. So you can basically shut down the game, remove the game capture again, and then try to add it. So you can click on the plus button and then click on game capture and then click on OK and make sure to set it to specific window. You can also try full screen if the game is running in full screen mode. Otherwise, use window to find the game with the name exactly, and then click on OK to add it to the game capture. And that should basically display your game again on OBS. And then you can start using it for recording or streaming. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.